Rainy day fun, let's splash in puddles. With our umbrellas we'll laugh and cuddle. With raindrops falling, let's dance and play. On this rainy day, let's make the most of today.
We'll build a fort with blankets and chairs, and pretend we're pirates sailing without cares. Or maybe we'll bake cookies, warm and sweet, and sit by the window watching the street.
Rainy day fun, let's splash in puddles. With our umbrellas we'll laugh and cuddle. With raindrops falling, let's dance and play. On this rainy day, let's make the most of today.
We'll read our favorite books all snuggled tight, and paint pictures of rainbows shining bright. With each raindrop, a new adventure begins.